This video will show you how to create a geofence and a geofence notification. A geofence is a radius around a single point on a map. It creates a perimeter around an object like a business, job site, or even city. It is used to reference whether a vehicle is inside a designated area or outside a designated area. To start, log in to the AllAware app. On the left sidebar, click Settings. Click Places. This is where you can manage all your geofences. To add a geofence, click Add a Fence. The center of the geofence defaults to the account's primary address. To move the geofence location, you can either enter the full address of the geofence location or click and drag the pin on the map to move the geofence. You can resize the map by clicking the plus and minus icons on the side of the map. You can change the radius of the geofence by entering in the radius of the geofence manually or clicking and dragging one of the 4 white boxes around the geofence. In the fence name field, rename your geofence. Click Save. To create more geofences, simply repeat these steps. You can create up to 20 unique geofences on your account. If you need to edit an existing geofence, simply click the name of the geofence and make your changes. To delete a geofence, click the name of the geofence. Then click the trash can icon next to the geofence. Please note, the default geofence, My Business, cannot be deleted. Now that you have created a geofence, you can create a geofence notification to be notified when a vehicle or vehicles enters or exits the geofence. To create a geofence notification, click Notifications on the left-hand sidebar. Click New Notification. Click Location-Based Alert. On this configuration page, you have several options. Enter alerts are notifications that are sent when a vehicle enters a geofence. Exit alerts are notifications that are sent when a vehicle exits a geofence. For each type of alert, click the Vehicle Selection drop-down to select which vehicles you would like to receive notifications for. You have 3 options: All devices, Any device, or Individual vehicles. Any device is the most common option. Selecting Any device means that you will receive a notification when any of your vehicles enters or exits a geofence. Select this option if you need to know every time a vehicle enters or exits a geofence. All devices is a slightly different option. Selecting All devices means that all of your vehicles have to be in or out of the geofence before you receive a notification. You will receive the notification when the last vehicle enters the geofence. You could set this notification up when you only want to be notified when all vehicles are in a geofence. For example, all vehicles have entered My Business geofence. You can also select any individual vehicle if you only want to receive notifications for particular vehicles. You can select Add an Alert if you need to add more than one vehicle to an enter or exit notification. After you have selected any device, all devices, or particular vehicles, click the Geofence drop-down to select the geofence for your notification. If you would like to receive both an enter and exit alert, ensure that you have selected Vehicles and Geofences in both the top and bottom fields. Under During this time frame, you can choose whether this alert should notify you at all times or only during a specific time frame, for example, 5 p.m. to 9 a.m., and on the weekends, when you need to know if there is any unauthorized use of your vehicles outside of work hours. To add a recipient to your notification, click Add next to Recipients. Select the recipients you would like to receive this notification. If you have logged into the AllAware app on your mobile device, you will also see the option to add your mobile device as a recipient. You can select these mobile devices to receive push notifications right on your phone. If you do not see a recipient listed, click New Contact and enter their contact details. Click Close. Then click Save to confirm this notification. If you ever need to modify your Geofence notification, you can come back to the Notifications page and edit or delete at any time. This video showed you how to create a Geofence and a Geofence notification. The next video will show you how to set up a driver behavior notification so you can get alerts for hard braking, speeding, and sudden acceleration.